Hello friends, today we will solve Geeks for Geeks problem difficulty level school. So today's problem is vowel or not. So now open this question. So the question is vowel or not. Given a English alphabet C, write a program to check whether a character is vowel or not. So now see first example. So C equals to small a, which is vowel. So now written yes, a is vowels. Now see second example. So C equals to capital Z, which is not vowel. So now write the code for this problem. So here we use conditional statement. So if C equals to small a and or operator, then is C equals to E C equals to C equals to A E I O. C equals to U. Now we will copy this statement for uppercase. All the lowercase are covered. So now if capital A, capital E, capital I, capital O, capital U, then if C will be A E I O U in lowercase or A E I O U in uppercase, then we will return string yes in uppercase. Otherwise we will return no. So else we will return no as a string. So no. Now compile and run. So the code is successfully compiled and run. Now check all test cases. So submit this code. So all the test cases are successfully passed. So thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe the channel and press bell icon. Thank you.